Have you ever struggled to plug your 4XE at night? If so, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick tip of how you can install a light in here to be able to see at night and plug a lot easier. All right, so this is the light set that I saw online. I thought it was a pretty, simple thing. This actually was only $8, and it includes 6 lamps. So, open this. All right, so once you open it up, it's actually a pretty simple thing. Has an LED here, a little port to turn it on and off. So first thing I'm going to do is try to figure out where to install this so it doesn't get in the way of anything. All right, so what we want to make sure is that we are giving enough clearance to have this back and forth. You can potentially put it here. It seems like we would have enough. The light is going to be coming up from here. So I think, for me, the best placement would be right around here. Okay, so all I'm going to do is peel this back. Plug it in here. Make sure that this goes back in here. There we go. Then I open it up. Get the light on. Plug in. And light off. All right, so here we are at night. We're gonna test this. Open, feel inside, there you go. And then once we're ready, turn the light back off and we're good to go. You know, it's kind of nice also to have a little additional light, just in case it's needed. So pretty simple modification. Let me know what you guys think. All right, well, that was probably one of our easiest modifications. So very excited to be able to have this light in here. Now we can plug in at night if I need it for any other things. We have it available. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be useful, please make sure you like and subscribe. We're trying to reach 500 subscribers. Thanks again.